Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you've been wondering how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits mobile and upload your own logo to the Roblox Blox Fruits server, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. First, open any browser and go to roblox.com. Log into your account there. Next, enable the desktop site by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner if you're using Chrome and selecting Desktop Site. Once the desktop site loads, tap on Create at the top of the screen. Then, tap on Experiences and click on View All. From there, tap on Development Items in the top right corner, then select Decals. Tap on Upload Asset and upload your logo from your camera roll. Add a name and description, then tap on Upload. Now, go back to the home screen, tap on the three lines in the top left corner, and select Inventory. Find Decals and tap on it. Here, you'll find your logo. Tap on it, then tap on the top to copy the link. Go back to your server, tap on the pirate icon on the left, paste your link, and tap on Create. That's how you can upload your logo in Blox Fruits Mobile. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and comment below. Leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.